Step 1 is to always remove your makeup super thoroughly. I'm using this olive oil from My Olive. I really like this because I feel like it not only cleanses thoroughly, but it kind of nourishes so that when I use a cleanser after, it doesn't dry out the skin. As for makeup wipes, I always kind of switch around. Today I'll be using the La Chesca makeup wipe. Okay, so I've cleansed my face and I used the Fresh Beauty Soy Face Cleanser. It doesn't feel as soapy as other cleansers. So the next step is to exfoliate your skin, and exfoliating your skin is very important because whatever product that you put on after that is going to be absorbed way more easily and quickly. Today I'll be showing you guys Skin Inc.'s Pure Revival Peel, and it's a very interesting exfoliator. It doesn't have beads in it like other exfoliators that may be harsh on your skin. Instead, it's like a liquid that kind of turns into flakes that removes your dead skin. I'm gonna be using Fresh Beauty's Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and I really like this toner because it feels like it does a great job of cleansing my skin again, but it also leaves my skin feeling super soft and my pores looking smaller. Next up, we have my favorite, and it's just a 10-minute mask that I use 1 or 2 times a week whenever my skin is looking a little bit dull, and it's the Honey Oxygenating Mask from Bernard Cassier. So it's been 10 minutes and I've washed off my mask. After masking, I like using either a serum or an ampoule. Today I'm using My Daily Dose by Skin Inc., which is customized just for me. So for the last step, I'm using Skin Inc.'s Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. You can leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight like I always do. So that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope that you guys found it helpful. The links to the products are in the description below. Please hit subscribe and let me know in the comments on what you'd like to see on my next video. Bye!